guys, what's up? It's Noytebs here. So today we're going to unbox this Roku Express. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so to be notified of my new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go, guys. So again, we're going to unbox this the Roku Express. And again, this Roku Express, this is the cheapest one that they have in Roku's line, and this is about $29. So again, it's really good streaming device. It's very small, but again, we're going to unbox this. Okay, so let's get started. So what's in the box here? We'll see what's in the box. I just got this one in Best Buy here in Calgary, and again, this is the receipt. I just put it there, and what's in the box is nice packaging. I like it. So looks. Okay. So again, they have here the there's none in here anymore. What's in here is cables. So here's the cable for the USB-C to USB, and then they have this HDMI. It's very short, but it's okay. And then it comes with a battery here. There's two batteries for the remote, and this is the streaming device. It's very small. Probably it's like an inch and a half by probably 3 inch. So small unit, so light, made of plastic. And I have here the remote. It's hard to get, but and again, this is the remote here. It's really good. They don't have the voice control for this. All you have is they have that Netflix, they have the Disney Plus, the Global, and the Roku. That's the one that they have there. Okay. And again, they have the manuals. If you want to, you just need that one anyways. And lastly, they have this sticker. We're going to put their stickers here and then put it on your device so it will stick. And I think most of the people, when they do this one, they should have to be visible, because I think you should have to, point your device to your remote, and then again to your TV. And now we're going to try this one in our TV here, but we'll see how it works. And I already done the create my profile or an account to Roku. And again, it's very straightforward. Just put this battery on and then put back the remote cover, and then we're gonna install this one. I don't know why there's no a power adapter for this, but I still have lots of power adapter on my iPhone, so probably I can use that one. So, but again, guys, we're gonna try this one on my TV, and then I'll be back again. Okay, so hang on there. Okay, so it's easy to connect, guys, and what we have to do is to update the new software of this Roku, and I think it's gonna be quick. It's my internet here is so fast. I got 1 terabyte on my internet connection. Okay, so now it's updating the channels, and it's channel updated to 27. So all you have to do is to update through your email, and then they will send it to you, and then it will pop up like this if you're done. So there you go. So hey guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And also you can add more channels here as you want, and you can search whatever channel you want, and then so it will be added on your I want TFC, something like that. So that would be that one, and then you can add that one, click add, agree. So it's very nice Roku device, because it will be added on your favorites, I think. So here, so it will be added on your home screen, and then from here if you want. So this is the TFC that I added, as you can see here. So that's the channel that I added, but again, if you want more to be added in here, and Netflix and Prime videos, you can add whatever you want to. So again, you just if you have account on Netflix, so you can do that one, or you can also yeah, so I need to sign in that one. And again, if you have a Prime, if you have Apple TV, so you can click those, and then you can watch movie. Okay, so okay guys, thank you so much again for watching. I hope you enjoy my unbox, and it's really good, and it's so fast for me. My perspective on this unit of Roku, I really like it, and I really recommend this to my friends if you really like this one. And I think this kind of a device is very small. As you can see here, I got small, very small unit, and yeah, that's it. So your power cord, your Type-C, USB-C, and then your HDMI. So it's very small connection. Okay, so again guys, thank you again for watching. This is Noytebs. God bless and have a wonderful day.